Today we're going to talk about making 4-step buttonholes with a Singer sewing machine. Your machine, if it comes with a built-in buttonholer, can be made in 4 easy steps. Here are the buttonhole adjustments on your control. We'll show you these in a minute. Here are some tips for making your buttonholes. Always practice a buttonhole on a sample of your fabric. Today we're going to use this sample fabric. Usually you'll be sewing with interfacing in between the 2 layers of fabric to keep your fabric stiff for making the buttonhole. Be sure your bobbin contains enough thread. When making your buttonhole on hard-to-reach areas, convert the machine bed to free-arm sewing for those machines which have this convenience. Mine lifts up and out, and I've got a free bed sewing. Mark your buttonhole on your fabric. Today we'll make a 5/8 inch length buttonhole. The buttonholer foot. Raise the presser foot. Place the fabric under the foot. You're going to need to center all 3 of these red lines along the marking for the top of your buttonhole. Turn the buttonhole dial to the first buttonhole symbol for the first step. This automatically also changes your zigzag stitch to exactly the right width for the zigzag of the top part of the button. Position the needle into the fabric in the top right position of the buttonhole foot by pulling the wheel toward you till it's in. Now press on your foot pedal to add power and stitch down the length of your marking. Now, the bottom line of your marking is at the line on your buttonhole foot. Raise the needle out of the fabric. Turn the buttonhole dial to the second buttonhole symbol for the second step. Make at least 4 stitches ending on the left side when you're going to go up the buttonhole. Raise the needle out of the fabric. Turn the buttonhole dial to the third buttonhole symbol for the third step. Your foot pedal, apply power to stitch back up to the top mark. Raise the needle out of the fabric. Turn the buttonhole dial to the 4th buttonhole symbol for the 4th step. Make at least 4 stitches ending at the point on the left-hand side. Raise the needle out of the machine, raise the presser foot, remove the garment from the machine, and clip your threads. You can clip more closely with the scissors. Carefully cut the buttonhole opening with a seam ripper or small, sharp scissors. I prefer a seam ripper. I feel like there's more control. Gently insert the seam ripper and allow it to cut up until the other edge of your buttonhole. There's your buttonhole, ready for you to sew a button on the other side. See our video about how to use your sewing machine to sew on a button, and you'll see that sewing buttonholes and sewing on buttons is very easy with your Singer sewing machine.